Hi. In this video, we embark on a comprehensive exploration of the step-by-step process for conducting audits, following universal guidelines. So, let's start. Step 1. Start with the opening meetings. This foundation sets the stage to foster collaboration. Typical activities. Set objectives, introduce audit participants, and outline expectations. It's the cornerstone, ensuring a unified approach to the audit mission. Step 2. Gather data. This phase involves delving into theoretical exploration and documenting insights through note-taking. Typical activities. Scrutinize documents, decode policies, and grasp the organization's intricacies. This step establishes the theoretical foundation for informed decision-making. Step 3. Conduct interviews. The bridge to practical insight. This step seamlessly connects theory to practice, unlocking valuable real-world insights. Remember to stay positive and friendly. Typical activities. Engage with key personnel, ask pertinent questions, and validate theoretical knowledge. This phase brings theory to life, providing practical insights into operations. Step 4. Observe. Gain a first-hand understanding of real-world functionality. Typical activities. Observe processes, identify nuances, and analyze discreetly. This step is akin to being a silent guardian, ensuring processes align with established standards. Step 5. Document findings. Craft an audit chronicle. Record meticulous observations diligently for a comprehensive audit record. Typical activities. Record findings systematically, organize data and create a comprehensive summary. This step transforms observations into a tangible record for future analysis. Step 6. Communicate. Promptly share observations while upholding a standard of professional communication. Typical activities. Share insights, facilitate dialogue, and ensure transparent communication. This step is analogous to hosting a dynamic conversation and fostering collaboration. Step 7. End with the closing meeting. Share the audit outcomes, observations, and provide a concise summary conclusion. Typical activities. Summarize observations, address findings, and conclude with finesse. This step is the culmination, leaving all stakeholders with a clear understanding of the audit's outcomes. And there you have it. If you find this video insightful, hit the like button, subscribe for more, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Till next time.